Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you this really quick and simple Easter card that I made recently using the Stampin' Up Timeless Tulips Stamp Set. I've got everything we need here, and I started off with a card base of Pear Pizzazz, and that's 21 centimeters by 14.9 centimeters and scored at 10.5 along the long edge. We'll just fold and burnish that. And then to create this circle piece on the front, what I did was I took one piece of Whisper White, and that is 13.9 by 9.5 centimeters. And then I took a piece of scrap cardstock and die cut a circle. Now what I find is it's easiest if you cut your scrap to the same width as your Whisper White, and then it's easier to get it centralized. And we're going to use that as a mask. So all we'll need to do is just pop some masking tape onto there. Like so. And the tulips I've stamped in real red. The stems are in garden green. We'll start with the tulips. It's easier to put the stems onto the tulips than the other way round, I find. Few taps. And then position your tulips as you want them. And I've done one of the large tulips and then 3 of the smaller ones. And it looks most effective if you get some of the images overlapping your mask, so it's kind of disappearing behind there. And just place them however you want to, really. Then we'll take our stem. Just be careful if you've done your mask a little shorter. I'm just going to pop this scrap paper underneath just to make sure that I don't stamp on the bottom of my card front. And then with the garden green, lining up the stamp. Again onto this one. And just this final one here. And then I would give that just a few seconds just to dry off before you do your background. You can obviously do it the other way around if you want to. It's entirely up to you, whichever you find easiest. And with the sponge brayer, we're going to pick up some of the Pear Pizzazz ink, and to make sure that you don't just cover one section of the brayer, don't just rock it backwards and forwards, kind of push the brayer along, and that will help you to cover more of the brayer. And then hopefully this is dry. Just holding that down, all I did was literally go round like so. And if we take these bits away, undo our tape and remove the mask. Oh. Remove the mask. And there we have our main image. The sentiment is also from the Timeless Tulips Stamp Set. And it's a really nice sentiment. It covers Easter, but it also is a bit more general. So if people don't necessarily celebrate Easter, but they enjoy the springtime, I'm just going to try and line this up. Easier said than done, because the camera is where I would normally put my head to get over the top of it, but we'll see how we get on. Not too bad. And then all we're going to do is, using some multi-purpose liquid glue, we're just going to pop that onto the card base. Oh, a little bit more down there. Trying to get that central. And there you have it. And of course, it would look really nice in all sorts of different colour combinations. Pick whichever spring type colours you like. And there's the original. Okay, so there is a blog post available for this card as well. And what I'll do is I'll pop the link to that in the description below, and the blog post also has links such that you can purchase any of the products used for this card if you'd like to make your own. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you, bye.